Hi everyone, it's John from Wine Adventure Journal and welcome to the 10th Wine Wednesday of Christmas. Each week we bring you a new holiday gift idea, and today I'm bringing you a very interesting gift idea from the world of wine and adjacent amusements, and that is this beautiful Moscow Science Moscow Mule Kit. Now, Moscow Mules are basically a mix of vodka and ginger beer, and they can be adorned with lemons, and usually limes, and maybe mixed with a couple other things. But let me give you some variations on the Moscow Mule here in a minute, but let me tell you what's in this kit. First, there are 4 hand-hammered copper mugs, very high quality. Each mug has its own, you can see the black disc here, it's basically a coaster, and 4 copper straws. And because no copper straw should go dirty, it also comes with a nice cleaner brush that goes in the straw to clean them. You also get a stirring spoon and a nice little measuring cup, also copper. So basically, you may find recipes anywhere for Moscow Mules. Again, they're very popular during the holiday season. Also a great refresher in the summer because they are made full of ice. And for time's sake, we're not going to make any today, but I urge you to consider this as a gift item because you may want someone to make one for you. So it's a great gift to give. Now, there are variations other than just straight vodka with ginger beer. There are some variations. I'm going to share a couple of them with you. A New Orleans Mule, you substitute a bourbon for vodka, and instead of adding ginger beer, use coffee liqueur, such as Kahlua Midnight Espresso, Sheridan's Irish Coffee Liqueur, Bailey's Irish Cream, and St. George's Spirits Nola Coffee Liqueur is another popular one. So it's basically bourbon with a coffee liqueur of your choice. That is a New Orleans Mule. A London Mule, being from London where gin is popular, it's also known as a gin mule or a Munich Mule, and in some pubs you might call it find it called a foghorn. That is the London Mule, and you basically substitute gin for vodka with the ginger beer. A Mexican Mule, well, you substitute tequila for vodka. A Jamaican Mule, substitute spiced rum. An Irish Mule, simply instead of using American bourbon, use Irish whiskey. A French Mule is cognac with and I hope I get this right, Angostura bitters. And if you're not familiar with cognac, cognac and brandy are kind of cousins, but basically they are a distilled wine. They usually start with white wine, once or twice distilled in a special process, and that white wine becomes amber in color through the aging in barrels. And so obviously it's in the barrel for a long time, and it comes out a nice brown beverage. Now, cognac, as opposed to brandy and some other spirits similar, actually comes from the region of Cognac in France. And just like champagne, which is not champagne unless it's made in Champagne, cognac is the same thing. You can only call it cognac if it comes from the Cognac region of France. Now, the Southern Mule instead of using a Kentucky bourbon such as we might do in the New Orleans Mule, the actual Southern Mule uses Southern Comfort whiskey. And I don't know if you've ever had Southern Comfort. It's a little different from your typical Kentucky bourbons, but it's in the same general family. Substitute that for vodka to get a Southern Mule. And finally, it's the holiday season, so Mistletoe Mule is garnishing the drink with rosemary and cranberries instead of the traditional lime and mint that you're going to find in a normal Moscow Mule. So again, a Mistletoe Mule rosemary and cranberry garnish instead of lime and mint. So this is the Mule Science Moscow Mule Kit. Again, you can use it for any of these recipes or any other recipes you find. And I will have links down below where you can purchase this kit. Very affordable. And I hope you will consider it for anyone who likes to get outside of just drinking wine or just drinking whiskey. It's a fun drink and it's great. Here at Wine Adventure headquarters, we have a lot of them during the summer on hot days. So that's it for the 10th Wine Wednesday of Christmas. I hope you are having a good holiday shopping season. Do visit wineadventurejournal.com. We have consolidated a lot of our lists, so you can go to the homepage and look at our consolidated link to that has one page that lists all the different holiday gift suggestions. We have not only the 12 Wine Wednesdays of Christmas, we have a stocking stuffer page. We have a page of other things that are more appropriate for going under the tree instead of the stocking. And of course, we have our top 10 lists, which run year long. We maintain those lists, and those include wine glasses, beer glasses, whiskey glasses, wine openers, whether they're electric or manual, and a few other items, again, for anyone interested in the world of wine and adjacent amusements. So until next week, I hope if you like this video that you hit like. I hope you will subscribe and make sure you click on the little bell to be notified. We will be back next week with the 11th out of 12, so we're coming near the end. The 11th out of 12 Wine Wednesdays of Christmas. Stay safe. Cheers.